Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and sound at home. I am Anu. Dear children, speaking in public is a challenge, and a challenge I believe must be accepted. All the people may feel some psychological reactions like pounding heart, trembling hands when you are speaking something in front of a crowd. Am I right? Yes. Here I am going to share one of my personal experience from childhood. When I was studying in 4th standard, I have been selected for a speech competition in sub-district level. All my teachers and friends have expected that I will shine there and win the competition. But when I have started my speech, I became totally blank and I could not able to complete the speech because of this nervousness and fear. When I was coming back to my seat, all the students were laughing. My teachers and parents get disappointed by seeing my performance on the stage. That incident haunted me every day. After that incident, I have never been on the stage for any speech competition in my school and college life. I believed that I am inefficient in all those areas. But children, now I realize that what I have done was a big mistake. If I had used a later opportunity instead of clinging to the failure of that day, it may lead to some positive changes in my life. So dear children, if you get any chance to speak something in front of others, please utilize it. In our school, we are providing so many opportunities. Take advantage of every opportunity that you get from the school. When you utilize your given opportunity on right time, it may help to improve your self-esteem and self-confidence. Being a good speaker is always helpful to being an inspirational leader. Even if you does not hold an official leadership position, it may help you to become a thoughtful leader. It also helps to improve your communication skill. A student with good communication skill may stand out in a group and earn higher grades. So dear children, try to utilize all the opportunities that comes into your life. Try to do your best. Even if you are not getting an expected result from there, try to accept it, gain experience from there, and rises from the ashes like a phoenix. So my dear children, have confidence, believe yourself, you will get success. Thank you.